want free popcorn! I want free popcorn! What do I look like? Some popcorn fairy?
But I've never had a detention! Move it, slouch!
Blackout?
Okie dokie, Ed boys! Once you see Gerda, shave the hairs from her...
Spaghetti!
Yes, and Rolf will triumph with the last...
Marshmallows! I wish I had a tail! Well. Fastfood utensils! I want free popcorn! I want free popcorn! What do I look like? Some pop. You torment me!
You have to help me put this up.
No more sword.
Pomegranates?
Hey, isn't that an abandoned car axle?
No!
Am I smart now? I never thought I'd say this, but...
If only I wasn't a weightless weakling,
Take a bus south for the winter.
Fire sumo!
Pomegranates? Yes.
Hello!
I laugh!
won't let me watch television.
Now that's entertainment.
My junk salad!
Fastfood utensils!
Like says on the count of 3. We all...
Take a bus out for the winter.
My name is Yuck, and I am from Smokyville!
The lemons of exactitude. Squeeze its nectar into your...
Abandoned car axle?
in order to smooth Rolf's posterior!
I want free popcorn! What do I look like? Some pop. Popcorn fairy?